Pre-construction contemporary cracker home on 5.12 fenced acres. 3-bedroom, 3 baths plus office and detached 3-car garage. Open great room floor plan with 2,553 square feet. Under air, split bedrooms and stylish finishes. Spacious great room with fireplace, wraparound porch to enjoy the views, impact glass, Hardiboard siding and metal roof are just some of the many features of this quality home. Beautiful lot with pretty pond backing up to preserve. Estimated completion date of October 2020. Indian Hammock is a gated community of 3,600 acres with about 2,400 acres of preserve. Amenities include a private airport, skeet and trap ranges, 5-stand shooting, NRA certified rifle and pistol range, clubhouse with restaurant, fitness center, heated pool, guest cabins, tennis courts, horse stables, riding arena, and miles of trails to ride. Indian Hammock makes the perfect retreat 1.5 hours to PB County. Gated community, appointment is needed to enter. Please call to schedule an appointment before coming.